Greenhouse after the snowstorm. Hello, welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So we had a snowstorm yesterday, so let's go take a look at the greenhouse and see what's going on with the greenhouse. Hopefully everything is okay. We have a few things going inside. As you can see, this is the garden right here, covered all with the snow, and this is the greenhouse. The side of the greenhouse is covered with snow. So on this side too, it's also covered with snow. Let's see if we can dig this door open and see if we can get into the greenhouse. We have to take out like 2 or 3 inches of snow in order to be able to open the greenhouse. So I'm just gonna use my foot and just see if I can just clean up the snow in front of the greenhouse so that we can get in there. Just let me know in the comments below what you think about growing in the winter, if you grow in the winter, and what you do to grow in the winter. So very soon we should be able to start our seeds indoors. And so let's take a look inside. Hopefully we can open it now. So you can see the snow is covering the whole roof of the greenhouse. In here I have some spinach. Let's open that and see. So I have some spinach in here. As you can see, it's doing good. So spinach is doing good in here. Another item that you can still grow in the greenhouse in the winter, it's onions like these. They will still do well. Let's take a look over here. Let's see. Yeah, I have some onions. That's doing okay. So I'm gonna plant a few more other winter stuff for the next 1 month. Should be able to get more stuff from this greenhouse. So I'm gonna start planting, putting some winter stuff in here once. Then we transition that to seed starting, and then we go from there. So as you can see, in the winter like this, if there's no heat in the greenhouse, everything dies off, and then you just have to grow cold weather crops in the greenhouse like these. I didn't grow a lot of cold weather crops because we already had a lot of the spinach and the other stuff, so I didn't want to grow more spinach at the beginning or in the middle of the winter. But right now I'm gonna grow a few more so that way we can we're running low on the some of the spinach, and then we can at least get some fresh, continue to get more fresh vegetables like this that we can use for salads and other stuff. So with the when the sun comes out today, as you can see, the ice is gonna melt and the roof is gonna clear off within a matter of hours once the the greenhouse starts warming up and the temperature outside improves a little bit. The snow stopped last night at about 11 p.m. So all these on the roof are gonna melt today and should be able to get some sunlight in the greenhouse. As you can see, usually the greenhouse is very bright, and so but the snow is covering the light from the sunlight from getting into the greenhouse. Breaking off, just the warm temperature. It's already breaking off and coming down. This one should be coming down soon. As you can see, going down. Without touching anything, it just another piece went down over there. You can see going down. The gap is widening. See going down. So this is gonna be clear, like I said, within a matter of a couple of hours. Once a little bit of sunlight, the greenhouse warms up, and all the snow is gonna fall off. Okay, let me show you outside how it's going out. See the chunk of it coming down. As you can see, pile up of it. That is it. You can see the snow on the ground over there. So that is it. I can't wait for seeds starting to begin and start getting some seeds in here and planting my stuff. Even though there's snow out right now, once the temperature starts going up a little bit, I should be able to start putting some seedlings in here. I will start some seedlings in the indoors and then move them in here around March, and then that goes the start of the season. Okay, hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing. Peace out, everybody. Have fun. Stay safe.